Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through my January consumption and let you know what I liked the most and the worst out of what I drank during January. So welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And as part of my efforts to hold myself accountable to drink more intentionally, drink a little less than I did last year, I've been keeping track of each drink that I have throughout the month. And what I figured would be a cool segment would be to sort of summarize things at the end of the month and let you know, number one, how much I drank, whether I'm okay with, the drinks per day or not, as well as what I enjoyed the most and least during the month. So this particular month, I had 41 drinks, which worked out to 1.32 per day. I didn't have necessarily a drinks per day goal going into this year, but 1.3 is higher than I feel like I want to be. I definitely want to be closer to that one drink per day mark, even below that. During the month, I had 14 cocktails. That was definitely the most prevalent drink category. 7 drams of whiskey, 7 glasses of white wine, and then red wine and vermouth were 6 each. So those are sort of the top 5 categories. My office, we had a virtual mixology class, recently as like a team building event, and one of the syrups that was sent along ahead of the class was an apple spiced syrup. And what the gentleman who was leading the class mentioned is, like, if you had a lightly peated scotch, try to do sort of an old-fashioned riff with that apple spice syrup. And the Ben Romick apple spice syrup old-fashioned was my favorite drink of the month, hands down. On the other side, I'll put a link up here to that video. My least favorite drink, if you've been following closely, was the 2018 Yalumba Shiraz that I had about a couple of weeks ago. The wine tasted fake, and I just really didn't enjoy it. Hopefully, you will come to like this segment. Hopefully this added some value, gives you a little perspective, and I'm going to keep doing this every month. We're going to do a similar summary with the details of the favorite and least favorite, and hopefully I do better than 1.32 drinks per day going forward. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for joining.